Alexa, stop. Okay, just turning some threads here on this grade 8 bolt. So it's very hard. I'm using carbide. Yeah, this is the 4th bolt I've done. I've got one here that's all done with the shoulder. So 7/16 bolt turned down to 3/8. That creates a shoulder. I'm using grade 8 bolts for pins for a deck of a riding lawnmower, Husqvarna over there. And let's give her. Time the numbers and watch her doing her magic. Mini Lathe works really well for this actually. I've been having good luck with it. Occasionally if I bite too much, like if I take 10 thou, I can get away with it for the first half of the threads. But when I'm cutting deeper and it's trying to cut both sides of that groove, it's a bit much. Sometimes I break the carbide. So I've been taking about 4 to 5 thou usually once I get halfway done. Working good.
I mean, I think on this show we share our opinions, and sometimes they are half-baked.
Works perfectly.